Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm not going to play any games or do any fun stuff. But instead I'll be talking about a channel that tied their pet dog with balloons just to make it float into the air. Why? Because of a video he wanted to do. All I'm going to do is cover this topic and that's all. And I might give some of my opinions too. So let's just continue because why not? Who? Please don't go harass anyone in this video because nobody deserves harassment. Feel free to give your opinion on this topic and this video. And please correct me if I'm wrong in any part of this video. And let's just continue. Let's go. God of Zone. A vlogging channel from India got into trouble because they made their dog float into the air with balloons just for the sake of a video. Godobson has 4 million subscribers in his channel, and that's really big. Godobson is the person who got into many controversies, and many people call him Gobar Zone, Tatti Zone, and things like that because they find it funny. Well, these names are kind of funny, but let's not talk about that right now. And most of the people were angry on this specific part of the video.
को उड़ाते 3, 2, 1 बस 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 भाई बस
All I have to say is, bro, this is actually very dangerous for your dog and yourself too. And the thing is, the dog almost reached the third floor. This is not funny, this is really dangerous, bro. Even for the people around you, it is very dangerous. The things could have gone really wrong. I even noticed that the dog even bumped at the side for once. And before you spam the comments, I'll just tell you that I'm already aware of the fact that there was someone holding the rope of the dog, also known as Dollar. And yeah, I forgot to mention that the name of the dog was Dollar. But the thing is, even that doesn't justify the fact that you made a dog float into the air with balloons and ropes. And later I found this video known as Guys क्यों परेशान करते हो Please ऐसा मत करो. And in this video, Gaurav was just talking about the hate he was getting from the previous video of Dollar and how people didn't notice the rope for safety. But as I said, that doesn't justify your doings, bro. And later, he made a video of him apologizing for his mistakes. He said that he loves his dog very much and will never repeat the same mistakes ever again. He even said that the dog was like a child to him. But sir, with due respect, I'm asking this, that if you had children in your home, then would you have done the same thing with them? Obviously, no. I am not trying to say that you don't like your dog or something like that, but what you did there was wrong, na bro. Anyways, but later on, Gaurav was arrested by the police because of animal cruelty. The thing went viral on different social medias, and this even reached the CNN news, which is not a small thing. But later on, he got the bail. After that, he did a live stream on his channel about the situation he faced and the things that happened to him. He said that he was getting judged because of the 10-second clip that media was showing. He said that he really loved his dog and he's really ashamed of the things he has done. But after the incident, he and his family were getting a lot of death threats from all over India, which is not good for a community. But the sad part is, many people in the world think that giving death threats to someone who has messed up at some point is a good thing. But no, it will just demotivate the person who is already demotivated. And this might encourage the person to take a wrong step in their life. There is an obvious difference between criticism and hate. And Gaurav just learned a thing, and I guess he will not repeat the same mistake ever again. Just like he said. And the thing ends here. Maybe no. So, as I was scrolling through the comments of his live stream, I found this. Pigeon को पानी में क्यों डाला? It means, why did you put the pigeon on water? At that point, I was just confused, and the comment had some decent amount of likes. And then I decided to ask the guy in the comments about this. And later, he told me to visit a channel known as Sahi Daljit. or Shahid Daljit, or I don't know how to spell it, but something like that. And later, I found a video of her about Gaurav's zone, in which she was talking about the situation of Gaurav and the dog. And after that, she showed a clip of Gaurav and some kids doing pretty wrong stuff with a pigeon. I'll show you some of the clips. So, what he did was, he decided to put a pigeon inside a pool, thinking it was a good idea, with the dogs also. I'll just tell you that most of the birds are made for flying, not made for swimming, okay? Even kids know that. He told the little boy to put the pigeon in the pool, and the boy did the same. You can clearly see that the poor thing was trying so hard to get out of this. He was on the edge, trying to leap over the thing. And at a time, Dollar just ran up to the pigeon just to see, just out of curiosity. You never know what could have happened there. Maybe I'm overreacting, but things can get really bad and different. You never know what an animal is thinking. Afterwards, they showed that the dog and the pigeon became friends and somehow like that and were not fighting. But it was really bad. You can clearly see that the pigeon wasn't enjoying the thing. He was scared. And those guys were laughing like crazy people. The pigeon was trying to get over the thing and they were laughing. The pigeon was trying desperately to try and get over the thing, but they were just laughing. Well, I don't know what to say next, but right now it's 4:34 a.m. and I'm really tired right now and I should go for the bed right now. So, see ya guys. See you in the next video. Bye.